What if I told you that the next global superpower won't be the United States or China, but India? Yes, by 2030, India could rise to dominate the world in economy, technology, defense, and global influence. From having the youngest workforce in the world to leading digital innovation, renewable energy, and manufacturing, India is on a trajectory that very few nations can match. Its diaspora already shapes global business and politics, while cultural and civilizational influence spreads across continents. This isn't just prediction, it's already happening. And here's the best part: by staying informed, you can witness India's rise firsthand. If you want to explore more shocking truths about India's journey to superpower status, hit subscribe and turn on notifications now, because every fact here matters. World's largest and youngest workforce. India's biggest strength is its people. With over 65% of the population below the age of 35, India has the youngest workforce in the world. While major economies like Japan, Europe, and even China are aging rapidly, India is entering its most productive phase. This young population is ambitious, tech-savvy, and increasingly skilled. Millions of Indians are joining industries such as IT, manufacturing, healthcare, and startups every year. Governments and global companies see this demographic advantage as a long-term engine for growth. A young workforce means higher productivity, innovation, and consumption. By 2030, this massive human capital will drive India's economy forward when other nations struggle with labor shortages. History shows that every superpower rose during its demographic peak, and India's peak is happening right now. Fastest growing major economy. India is one of the fastest growing large economies in the world, even during times of global slowdown. While many developed countries face stagnation, high debt, and inflation pressures, India continues expanding due to strong domestic demand and reforms. Infrastructure projects, highways, railways, ports, and smart cities are transforming the country at record speed. Growth in services, manufacturing, and exports is creating millions of jobs. A growing economy increases national confidence, global influence, and investment power. By 2030, India is projected to be among the top 3 economies globally, measured by GDP. Economic strength is the foundation of any superpower, and India's consistent growth shows it is moving in the right direction. Wealth creation at this scale changes everything, from diplomacy to defense. Digital revolution at unmatched scale. India has built one of the world's largest digital ecosystems in record time. Systems like Aadhaar, UPI, Digital India, and affordable internet have connected over 1 billion people to the digital economy. Today, even small villages use digital payments, online education, telemedicine, and government services. This digital backbone reduces corruption, increases efficiency, and empowers citizens directly. Startups flourish because infrastructure is already in place. Unlike many countries that digitized slowly, India leapfrogged traditional systems. The result is a highly scalable, tech-driven society. By 2030, India's digital economy alone will be worth trillions of dollars. A nation that controls data, technology, and digital finance controls the future, and India is rapidly positioning itself as a global digital leader. Manufacturing shift away from China. Global supply chains are changing, and companies are actively looking for alternatives to China. India is emerging as the most trusted and scalable option. Through initiatives like Make in India and Production-Linked Incentive (PLI) schemes, India is attracting billions of dollars in manufacturing investment. Electronics, semiconductors, defense equipment, pharmaceuticals, and renewable energy manufacturing are growing rapidly. India offers lower costs, political stability, and a huge domestic market. As factories shift, jobs increase, exports grow, and technological capability improves. Manufacturing strength is a key trait of every superpower. By 2030, India could become one of the world's largest manufacturing hubs, reshaping global trade routes and reducing dependence on any single country. Rising global political influence. India's role in global politics has expanded dramatically in recent years. It is no longer just a regional power, it is now a global decision-maker. India plays an important role in groups like G20, BRICS, Quad, and other international forums. Countries from the West, Middle East, Africa, and Asia see India as a reliable and balanced partner. India's independent foreign policy allows it to maintain strong ties without becoming dependent on any one power. This diplomatic flexibility builds trust worldwide. As global tensions rise, India's voice carries more weight in discussions on trade, security, climate change, and global stability. Political influence combined with economic strength is what defines a true superpower, and India is steadily reaching that position. Cultural and civilizational confidence. India's power is not just economic or military, it is deeply civilizational. Indian culture, values, spirituality, yoga, Ayurveda, and philosophy are respected worldwide. At a time when many societies face identity crises, India draws strength from thousands of years of continuity. This cultural confidence creates unity and global attraction. Soft power builds influence without conflict. India's message of coexistence, tolerance, and balance resonates globally. Cultural respect translates into diplomatic goodwill and international cooperation. By 2030, India's civilizational identity will support its global leadership role. True superpowers inspire as much as they dominate, and India's cultural depth gives it a unique and lasting influence. Indian diaspora dominating globally. The Indian diaspora is one of the most powerful sources of India's global influence. Indians lead top global companies, universities, research institutions, and governments across the world. CEOs, scientists, policymakers, and entrepreneurs of Indian origin shape global decisions daily. This creates immense soft power for India. It strengthens trade relations, boosts investment, and improves India's global image. Unlike traditional influence through force, diaspora power works quietly but effectively. It opens doors for diplomacy, technology transfer, and international cooperation. No other country has such a highly skilled and influential global community. By 2030, this worldwide Indian presence will further amplify India's rise, making its influence felt far beyond its borders. Energy and green transition leadership. Energy independence is critical for becoming a superpower, and India is moving fast in this direction. The country is investing heavily in solar energy, wind power, green hydrogen, and electric mobility. India is already among the world's top renewable energy producers. As fossil fuel prices fluctuate globally, renewable energy provides stability and long-term savings. This transition also aligns economic growth with environmental responsibility. India is proving that development and sustainability can go together. By 2030, increased renewable capacity will reduce imports, strengthen energy security, and create millions of green jobs. Energy leadership gives India economic resilience and geopolitical strength, both essential traits of a future superpower.